Hello everyone, Brian here from Pang Industrial. For those of you who are not familiar with Pang Industrial, today's video will provide a brief overview of our product line as well as some common uses and techniques for getting the most out of our rubber bonding cements and repair materials. Pang Industrial specializes in the repair and adhesion of rubber, whether you're looking to repair a conveyor belt, replace worn pulley lagging, or simply need a solution to adhere rubber to metal, PVC, wood, or just about any other surface. We've got you covered. First up, let's talk about Pang rubber bonding cements and chemicals. We offer a full line of hot and cold vulcanizing cements and prep chemicals for all your bonding and repair needs. For today's purposes, however, I'm going to focus on 3 of our top selling chemicals. For information on the entire line of Pang chemicals, we invite you to visit pangindustrial.com. When it comes to bonding rubber, our all-purpose Pangoful rubber bonding cement provides a fast-drying 2-part cold bonding solution for bonding repair strips, patches, and adhering rubber to all types of surfaces. Simply mix the activator and Pangoful is ready to roll. Before you bond 2 surfaces using Pangoful, it's important to prep and prime surfaces you'll be adhering. That's where our next 2 chemicals come in. Step 1, you're going to clean the surfaces using our Buff Sol Pre-Buff Cleaner. This powerful cleaner removes debris and contaminants to help maximize adhesion. Next, if you're going to be adhering rubber to a solid surface such as metal, concrete, or fiberglass, you'll want to prep the surface using Pang Primer. Independent lab tests have verified that this simple step can boost adhesion by as much as 50%. Let's move on to Pang Industrial repair materials. First, let's talk about Pang It Chemical Cure Rubber. This 2-part A and B compound is the ideal choice for filling belt, lagging, and lining injuries. Simply mix the 2 parts together, press into the prepared surface, and allow it to cure. Pang It cures to a 55 to 60 short hardness and can be buffed level once it is fully cured. Another option for small to medium-sized injuries is our Flex rubber repair resins. This 2-part urethane repair solution comes in pre-meter packs ranging from 100 to 500 grams of material. The best thing about Flex is you can mix the solutions and apply the material directly from the package. This no fuss, no mess product is ideal to get machines back up and running quickly. Finally, for larger repairs and belt splicing, we offer a variety of different sized chemical bonding belt repair patches and repair strips. These are ideal for larger injuries or splicing together sections of a broken belt. Rounding out Pang Industrial's product mix is a complete line of sheet rubber, skirt rubber, lagging, and other specialty materials. We also provide all the necessary hand and power installation tools, buffing equipment, belt repair, and splicing kits, and accessories you will ever need to get the job done right. We hope you've enjoyed this brief introduction to the Pang Industrial product line. For more information, please visit pangindustrial.com.